Hey, fourth graders, good to see you again. Hey, we're going to do some more multiplying fractions and whole numbers today. Make sure we have this stuff down. Now, today we're doing stuff like 2/3 times 9. Now, we've gotten really good at multiplying by unit fractions, meaning 1/3 times 9. But we haven't had a whole lot of practice on doing stuff like 2/3 times 9. That's okay. We don't really need to know how to do 2/3 times 9, as long as we know how to do 1/3 times 9. Let me show what I mean. To do 2/3 times 9, first thing we're going to figure out is what is 1/3 times 9. Okay? After we get the answer to 1/3 times 9, we need 2/3. So let's take our answer to this and multiply it by 2 to get 2/3. So remember, 1/3 times 9 is 1/3 9 times. So I wrote down 1/3 9 times here. Of course, I get 9 over 3, 9/3. Okay. Now, there was a shortcut for this. You're probably not going to have to write out 1/3 9 times all the time. If you did, though, you would see that you have 1 that you're adding up 9 times. So really, it's 1 9 times over 3. So that's a shortcut to get to 9/3. If you know that shortcut, you don't got to write these all out every time. Okay? And of course, you do need to know that 9/3 is an improper fraction. Improper. So you do 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Remainder is 0, so it's just 3. Okay? So 1/3 of 9 is 3. Okay? We want to know what 2/3 of 9 is. Okay? Well, if 1/3 of it is 3, then that's 3 and that's 3. So 2/3 would be 3 plus 3. It would be 6. So you'd say that if 1/3 of 9 is 3, you take the 3 and multiply it by 2 to get 2/3, and you'd get 6 as your answer. So 2/3 of 9 is 6. Today, though, we're doing this as a story problem. So here we go. Of the 10 cookies in the cookie jar, 3/5 are peanut butter cookies. How many peanut butter cookies are in the jar? So we got to figure out what is 3/5 of 10. And of course, you guys know that 3/5 of 10 means 3/5 times 10. So we got to figure out what is 3/5 times 10. Like I said, we're real good at doing 1/5 times 10. So we're going to do that first. We're going to do 1/5 times 10. Now we could do it this way, but I don't know, maybe you guys are getting good enough that you don't need to actually do that, because you know that you're actually writing the 1 10 times. So it's like 1 times 10 over 5. That's going to be 10/5. Okay? Then 10 divided by 5 is 2. So 1/5 of 10 is 2. What is 3/5 of 10? Well, if this is 1/5, you need 3 of them. You multiply it by 3. And you get 6. So 3/5 of 10, 6. Right? So 6 of the cookies in there are peanut butter cookies. Now, the story problem you might see today is that there are 16 students eating lunch in the cafeteria. 3/8 of them brought lunches from home. How many students brought lunches from home? We need to know what is 3/8 of the 16 students. 3/8 of 16. If we can figure that out, we will get our answer. All right? We're real good at doing 1/8 times 16. So we'll do that first, okay? Which is 1 times 16. We're not going to write out the 1/8 16 times, because we just know it's going to be 16/8. And 16 divided by 8 is 2. So 1/8 is 2. How much is 3/8? Well, let's multiply that by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. All right? So 6 students brought lunch from home. That's what we're working on today, and you may begin.